How do real AI agents actually work beyond simple chatting? In this video, you'll see how agents use tools, memory, and planning to understand goals and perform real actions. Most people think an AI agent is simply a smarter chatbot, but a real AI agent can choose tools, remember important information, plan multiple steps, and actually perform actions. A traditional chatbot mainly receives your message and generates a response. An agent goes further. It can analyze the goal, decide what action is needed, execute it, and continue. To understand this properly, imagine a real estate AI agent. You tell it, find me a 4-bedroom house in Lahore under 5 crore and arrange a Saturday viewing. That request contains several separate tasks. The agent must understand your requirements, find available properties, compare them, check scheduling information, contact someone, and finally arrange the viewing. This is where 3 important capabilities work together. Tools allow the agent to perform actions, memory provides useful context, and planning decides how those actions should be organized. An AI model cannot magically access your search private property listings or modify your CRM. Developers explicitly connect those capabilities to the agent as tools. For our real estate agent, tools might include searching properties, retrieving complete property details, checking calendars, sending emails, updating the CRM, or creating a new lead automatically. The important part is that the agent chooses the appropriate tool based on the goal. It can also determine which parameters should be passed before that tool executes. The tool returns structured information to the agent. The AI reads those results, understands what happened, and then decides whether it already has enough information or needs another action. That is what makes tool calling so powerful. The language model provides reasoning, while external provides real capabilities, together into actual digital actions. Now imagine you told the agent on Monday that your budget is 5 crore and you prefer DHA. On Friday, you simply ask, show me new options. Without memory, the agent asks for those details again. With memory, it can reuse relevant preferences and continue naturally instead of treating every interaction like a completely new conversation. Short-term memory usually represents the information available during the current interaction. It helps the agent follow what you just said and maintain context across multiple conversational turns. Long-term memory is different. Selected information can be stored outside the immediate, allowing future sessions to retrieve preferences, customer information, or other genuinely useful context. But good memory does not mean storing everything forever. Production systems should decide what information is useful, what should expire, and what should never be stored unnecessarily. Planning becomes important. One user request cannot be completed with a single action. The agent must break a larger goal into smaller tasks and determine their logical order. For the property request, the first part of the plan could be understand the requirements, search available listings, apply the budget filters, and compare the strongest matching properties. After finding the best property, the plan continues. Check the user's availability, contact the property representative, time, schedule the viewing, and confirm the final details. A useful agent should not blindly follow a fixed plan. If a property becomes unavailable or Saturday is fully booked, it should use the new information and adapt. That adaptation is important because environments change. The agent continuously uses new innovations to decide whether to continue, retry the failed step, choose another tool, ask the user when more information is needed, or stop once the agent determines that the goal has been successfully completed. This creates the basic agent loop. Understand the current situation, choose an action, execute that action, observe the result, update the state, and continue until the goal is completed. The agent realizes it needs listings, calls the search tool, observes 20 results, decides they need filtering, applies your preferences, and then evaluates the remaining options. And this is an important distinction. Agents are control permissions, design memory systems, establish boundaries, and decide what actions require human approval. So remember this simple model. Tools give an agent the ability to act. Memory gives it useful context, and planning determines how multiple actions work together toward a goal. But building an agent is only the beginning. In the next video, we'll explore why many AI agents fail in production. Subscribe to ProWebier for more practical AI development content.